Left off where we were, number 6, putting in the H1 tag to the season's guest speaker, H2 tag for our mission and our ticket packages. So let's see, our mission, where are we? Okay, so here's our mission, H2s. We've got our ticket package, H2 down here. Next we had number 7, add P tags to the first block of text after our mission. So right here, P stands for paragraph, so we have an opening and closing after that first block. And then we need to add block quote tags to the second block of text. So the second block here, so opening block quote, closing block quote. And then inside here, if we want to put the quotations, we use the ampersand, L for left, quote, and then on the end we use the ampersand right, R, RD quote. Okay, so the left quote, the right quote. And that should take care of number 7. Number 8 says to add the UL and LI tags that are needed for the 3 items after the Our Ticket Packages heading. So our ticket packages, right here, we've got our unordered list open here, closed here. So basically we're wrapping around. It's like a package. We want to wrap around the information that's inside there. And so what do we have? Season package, patron package, single speaker. We again want to wrap those around with the LI tags, open and close. Close always has the slash. UL is unordered list. That means bullets. And then the LI means list item. So the list item within that list, that signifies that. If I wanted to have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, then I would use OL, which is an ordered list. But again, you have to wrap the tags around that so that it knows what the browser knows what to do to that content. All right, and so let's see, I think that was it. Okay, number 9. Format the name and month for the first speaker after the season's guest speaker, so that's right here. So we have October is Jeffrey Toobin, November Andrew Ross Sorkin, January Amy Chua. So we want the heading to be H3, so we wrapped H3 around October, and then it says to put in a BR or a break in the middle that rolls over the speaker's name to a second line. So it's basically saying after October you're going to break that and then go down to Jeffrey Toobin. Okay. Then test and adjust, and then you're going to do that for the same thing to the next speakers. And before I show you that, so number 11 says to enclose the name for each speaker in an A tag or an anchor tag. So that tells me right away we're going to create a link here for the speaker's name. So I'm going to show you how to do one, then I'm going to stop, you can do all the rest, and then we'll come back again together. So we have October, we've got a break, meaning the name will go down to the next line, and then we want to create a hyperlink here. Alright, so we're going to put in that open bracket with an A, and then we want to say, where does this hyperlink reference to? Where's it going to go to? So we have the equal sign means we're going to assign, and then we have our quotes, because everything needs to be inside the quotes so it doesn't look like it's a tag name or something else. And it says to go into the speakers folder, and look, as soon as I put that slash, it pops up. Who do we want? Well, this is Toobin, so I'm going to click on Toobin, and it completes that for me. And then we want his name to actually show up right inside there. So I'm going to go ahead and grab his name, Command X or Control X, and I'm going to put it right here. After this, I'm going to put my closing bracket to close that out, and then I'm going to paste his name right in there. So notice we have the anchor tag saying where to go to reference this person. Where do I link to? And then it's got the closing bracket, then the name, and then the closing anchor tag. So that's like one piece of it right there. And then we've got our closing H3 wrapped around the whole thing. Okay, so you're going to do that same thing through to all of those speakers there, and then we will come back together.